Alright, this is Jake. I'm going to show you my prototype for my cat Pan Trackinator. So what that is a device that helps my family to develop better habits about maintaining our cat's litter box. That would be scooping it daily, replacing the litter every few days, and sweeping the floor around it to clean up the mess. I am here in my office, and outside of my office door is a bathroom where we keep the cat's litter box. And so the smells from the litter box and the noises and all of that, I am the first person to experience those, and often I am the one to go in and clean it up. So this is about helping my family, but also helping me. All right, so here it is. Not much of a final build yet, but we did what we could. It's late, and I am late. But here we have our Arduino Mega, lots of digital pins for all those extra accessories and sensors. Connected to the Arduino, we've got a real-time clock over here that allows me to track the actual time, to create timers, to timestamp events like Unix timestamps, so that I can track when someone has last changed the litter box or last scooped it. I've got my input over here, my keypad. On the breadboard over here, I've got a buzzer. That's part of the alarm system. I have a PIR sensor that actually is connected to the backlight of my LCD. So if I hold really still, the backlight will actually turn off, but it probably isn't going to right now. And if I were to interact with my keypad at all, that would turn on the backlight as well. So you can see it went off, but if I move, that turns back on my backlight. And then over here, I have a servo that carefully moves down and triggers my meow box. That is my alarm. And then right here, I have what do they call it? An MQ135 hazardous gas sensor. Detects things like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, alcohol, and ammonia is one of the things that it detects. Cat boxes, when cat urine interacts with bacteria, it tends to give off ammonia gas, which this could detect. So if I leave that there long enough, oh, you see my green light. That green light lit up, that means that it has detected it. And I have a 10-second debouncer there, requires that light to be on. Oh, the alarm is going off, the cat is meowing. Blue, it stinks, replace that litter. So that servo is just going to sweep up and down, triggering the cat meow back and forth. And I can come over here anytime. Oh, let's hear it meow one more time. There we go. Alright, let's cancel that alarm. So I can hit any key on the keypad and that will cancel the alarm. If it's during the day and I've remembered to do my job, I can come over here, I can hit the letter A, and hitting that will prompt me to say who scooped the cat litter today. Notice it's saying 1 through 6. There are 6 people in my family, so if I come over here and I hit 5, that's me. So I changed the cat litter, or I scooped the cat litter today. And so you can see here, if I get that backlight to come back on, it says, swept the floor yesterday, scooped the litter today by Dad. Replaced the litter 3 days ago by Dad. Swept the floor yesterday by my son Ethan. If I come over here, let's just say I'm on a roll. If I hit B, ooh, that means I swept the floor. So I'm going to hit 5 for me. Dad swept the floor. So now that has updated. Scooped the litter by Dad, replaced the litter by Dad 3 days ago, and swept the floor today by Dad. All right, well, let's get Mom involved. We're gonna let Mom change the litter box. So I'm gonna hit C, replaced today, and that would be 6, the one who should not be changing the litter box. Now Mom is the one who changed the litter box. So scoop the litter by Dad, replace the litter by Mom, and swept the floor. Now each day, a little after midnight, the clock in here will always be running, and it will remind the system to set an alarm. Oh, that's my my hazardous gas sensor going off. Turn that off. So each day, a little after midnight, a new alarm will be set to remind us at 5 p.m. to scoop the litter box that day. If I remember to scoop the litter box before that alarm goes off, and I come up here and I hit A, I'm going to scoop the litter box, that will automatically cancel the alarm for that day, since I already did it and I don't need to be reminded. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I can also set the clock, change the time on the clock with this. I can set an alarm, a manual alarm that doesn't have anything to do with the built-in tasks. And D is to deactivate the alarm. So I can hit the D to do that. But anyway, that's how it works.